In this video, you are going to see how to highlight data automatically in Google Sheets. Let's get started. Here I have some marks. Let us select the marks. Now go to Format and go to Conditional Formatting. And here you will find an option Format Cells If. Suppose I want to format the cells if the value is greater than, let us choose this option, greater than 50. And here you will see some cells are highlighted. Now if you want to choose this color, now let us choose a color from here. You can make it bold and let us click on done. And here you will see I have highlighted according to the condition. Let us change this number. Let me write here 35, then the highlighted will be removed. In this way you can highlight another number. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.